Reports of immigration raids across California are stirring up fears and legal questions. I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter, here at the Bakersfield Liberty Bell, where on Saturday, hundreds are expected to gather for No King's Day protests.
This does not feel like our America.
In the wake of federal immigration enforcement operations, community members in Kern County are bracing for what advocates are calling a chilling effect, a potential threat to basic civil liberties.
They just put it out there that there's some brown invasion, and it plays into that.
Legal experts with the Immigration Justice Collaborative warn of the fallout of raids, as well as the president's move to disseminate immigrants' health information to deportation officials.
People that need medical care, if they are aware that their personal information is going to be disseminated to federal authorities, they're not going to go to the doctor. They're not going to go to the hospital.
Attorneys argue the actions by immigration agents and the president's executive orders have repeatedly been ruled unconstitutional.
The judge said that the president has authority that is limited by the Constitution. And he said that is the difference between a constitutional government and King George.
On Saturday, advocates will gather for a protest at the Liberty Bell, one of many demonstrations nationwide aimed at holding the federal government accountable.
All of these different things that are part of that supposed big, beautiful bill. We have so many farm workers, and we have so many individuals that are working families.
Organizers say this will also be a chance to get their message out in a peaceful manner. Legal observers and police plan to monitor the event to protect First Amendment rights and diffuse potential conflicts.
Let them exercise their rights, but we have to remain calm, we have to remain focused, we have to obey our laws, and in the event of an escalation, then our job is to de-escalate.
While President Trump said he'd sign an executive order protecting farm and hotel workers from immigration raids, local advocates state that many of the workers already targeted had no criminal record.
I remember when I was a farm worker as a child, we would be picking, say, for example, a cherry crop up north. And on the second to the last day, we would be invaded by the immigration officers because they knew that the harvest was over, but that's happening here.
They say the protest is a chance to also stand against misinformation.
What they have done is they have inspired hope to insist that our constitutional rights be upheld.
The protest is scheduled to begin at 11 a.m. again here in downtown Bakersfield. Organizers say the goal is a peaceful, constitutionally protected gathering. In Bakersfield, I'm Veronica Morley, your senior reporter.